So you might be in a situation where for some reason your particular iPhone's alarm sound just isn't working at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one first thing I'd recommend every single person to do right now, though, is to go through and just double check that your alarm sound and your volume are basically up. So go ahead and make your way over into your settings application, just like this. You want to scroll down until you see this sound option. So scroll over until you see sound. It should be like notifications and sound or something like that, sounds and haptics. Tap on there. And this ringtone and alerts option, you want to go ahead and make sure it's slid all the way to the top, or it's like at a certain volume. Sometimes if your volume is all the way low, then it's not going to go through and actually buzz you when it's making some sounds. So just go through and make sure that's not the case, that's not the problem happening here. And that could very well be the very first thing that I recommend doing from that particular situation. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your alarm that you enabled is actually set for the right days. So number one, make your way over into your alarms panel right here, and whatever alarm that you have, make sure that your alarm is actually enabled. So make sure the alarm is turned on just like how it should be turned on here. Now, once that's turned on, what you can do is you can make your way over and make sure that it's set for the days that you want to go ahead and have it set by. Sometimes you might see that your alarm may be turned on, but it's not set for the specific days. So click on edit, click over here, and where it says repeat, click here. And if it doesn't have it repeating on any day, the alarm's not going to go off. So just go through, do that, and that's going to be another thing I would recommend doing is to enable them by turning on those days like this, and that will go ahead and enable that alarm. Now, if that's still not working, you might want to try going through and essentially just seeing if you can go through and try updating your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings, click inside of general, and try going through and updating your iPhone. And that could very well end up fixing the problem too. So kind of the main ways to go into it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.